Greetings Earthlings and welcome back to my humble little channel. I know it's been a long time since I've posted, but I'm excited to finally launch this video here with the coolest multimedia gaming lounge I've done so far. So check out the video, let me know what you think in the comments, and thank you again for checking it out. This impressive 7.2.2 Atmos system is powered by a Denon AVRX 3800H. There is 6 Polk V60 in-ceiling speakers, 2 in the rear for overhead rears, 2 overhead side surrounds, and 2 for the front Atmos. There was some compromises made with the placements due to the customer's aesthetic preferences and wall decor. The screen is an acoustically transparent 135-inch grand view. The LCR behind the screen are the Polk Vanishing Series 265 RTs. For projection, we went with the highly rated Epson LS 12000. It's a laser projector tailored for home cinema with over 2,700 lumens, up to 2.5 million to 1 contrast ratio in dynamic mode, and 4K HDR compatible. This room was acoustically treated with walls and ceiling treatments, and all the components are neatly stored in the AV closet. In the AV closet, you'll find an NVIDIA Shield for streaming, the latest gaming consoles like the Xbox Series X and PlayStation 5, and a pair of Winamps for multi-room audio upstairs.
Wow.
I almost forgot to mention the LFE, so for subs, we got a couple of Polk Audio HTS 12-inch subwoofers to give that bottom end. This luxury gaming lounge is polished, powerful, and versatile for the whole family. Want the vibe treatment for your space in the Edmonton area? Contact us at vibeinstalls@gmail.com, and thanks for watching.